that thing working? Yeah, it's working. Hi guys, it's Joe here. Got a little problem. I own this here red pickup truck, and I was driving it last week, and all of a sudden I got a noise coming, like a rubbing sound, and I didn't know what to think. And then I stepped on the brakes, and I got a clunking sound. So now I've taken a look, preliminary, without taking the tire off, and it looks like I'm missing a bolt from my front caliper on the driver's side. So I thought maybe today take a quick look at that, maybe have to run to the junkyard and see if we can get it fixed, because my other car is starting to act funny too. I'm just having no luck with my cars right now. So let's tear off that front tire and take a look at it. Alright, let's try the other way. There you go. Okay. I don't think that should move like that. Something tells me. Hopefully it's just a loose nut instead of one missing. I just gotta figure out what the heck's the problem. Not too familiar with Fords, so take a quick look. Okay, upon further review, it looks like we got real lucky, and it's just a loose nut down here on the bottom of the caliper, and hopefully I got the size wrench that I need right here. That's not it. Please. I think this is it. It's tightening. It's tightening. Alright. Go until it's straight. Let's try one of these. That ain't it. There it is. 11/16. Just give it one tug. Yay. It's on. All right. Oh shit. Yeah. I wonder if my jack is drifting. It looks like it might be. That's pretty close. Pretty close. Alright. Outstanding. It's nice to be able to do these kinds of things and save yourself some money, time. Come on. All right. Abracadabra. All done. Okay, abracadabra, it's done. You saved yourselves a lot of time and effort running to the junkyard to get a bolt or whatever else you might have needed. It was just the bottom bolt of the caliper just come loose, and the caliper was flopping around, as you could see. And it took us about 10 minutes, maybe 15 if you count all the monkeying around stuff. So now with that job done on this bright sunny day in spring, I gotta cut the grass, rototill the garden, maybe plant some onions, general spring cleanup. So play around with that. Thanks for watching.